Hello, you're watching Beyond Bills TV. Welcome to our Business Tuesday. So today we are happy to host Carrefour, who is doing an amazing initiative. So Carrefour, as you know it well, it's a supermarket chain, but they're doing something very interesting. They have introduced, they've been very intentional with the deliveries, and they're actually insisting on female riders so they can make sure it's an intentional initiative to promote women. So today I'm joined by two lovely ladies, both called Lucy, but I'll let them introduce themselves, then we can get into it. Karibu sana.
Good morning. Thank you for hosting us. This is Lucy Wanjiko from Carrefour Deliveries with Little Cab. Thank you.
Okay, morning. Thank you for hosting us. My name is Lucy Owino. Doing delivery from Carrefour e-bikes. Thank you.
Okay, karibu sana. And feel at home. I've actually, this is the first time I'm hearing of, I've never had a delivery done by a lady.
Okay.
So it's a pleasant surprise. And thank you very much.
Okay.
So, how is it for you?
The delivery is good because we always deal with the customers who are not disturbance. So I love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
The customers are very understanding.
Yeah, understanding. Yeah.
That is very nice and very organized.
Yeah.
Okay. So in terms of delivery time, is there a particular hours that you specifically that you prefer to work, or it's as long as kuna demand?
Thank you for kuuliza hiyo swali. One thing, Little Cab understands that we are female riders wenye wako na majukumu as well. So they give us a good time yenye tunaweza kuwa tukifanya kazi na wao, and so that we can be satisfied because tunaingia job 8 am, tunatoka the last order unachukua at 6 for female riders. So I feel good working with them because as much as we want that job, they still give us a conducive environment to work. Una feel vizuri ukiamka asubuhi, unajua mali unaenda ofisi yako, you feel good about it.
Okay. I like that. So kabla tuende kwa changamoto, because I know sometimes changamoto zinakuwa, watu hupenda kukumbuka changamoto sana, but sasa kama mtu wa biashara, how has it improved your business?
Asante sana kwa hiyo swali unauliza. Kwa mtu wa biashara si mbaya cause always tunafanya biashara ndio tupate ile chakula ya siku. Yeah, so without hiyo biashara Carrefour kama wafanyi pia sisi hatuwezi pata hiyo kazi yenye tunafanya ndio tulishe familia. Yeah.
At least ukiingia kazi
hauwezi kosa kitu ya kuweka kwa meza.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you also have a few, I know Carrefour prioritizes female riders.
Yeah.
But you may also have a few male colleagues.
Yeah.
So when orders come,
yeah,
alafu niyo after 6 p.m. So am I right to assume that mostly orders zikikuja after 6 p.m. sana itakuwa wanaume wataniletea? Sababu wao kimbia nyumbani.
There are women are also in the house, so they still understand us. And nawezi taka pia kutulose pale tumezoeana, they are sisters keepers. Yes. So therefore they understand us. Most probably usiku ukioda, even though our systems inafunganga around 8. So at 8, you place order at 8, I think utapata delivery yako, utaschedule utapata delivery yako early tomorrow morning. So therefore kama unapata late delivery, most probably it's men in that case. Then I want to add from my sister here. I feel good working with Little Cab and Carrefour is per se because in this case una develop skills za business. Kama huko biashara unajipata it's unajua ni a willing seller, a willing buyer. So unakuta huyu venye tu unaweza kuongea na customer unajipatanga customer mwingine ana feel maybe something happened, but venye utamuongeleshea itamake pia yeye akubali, unamconvince anachukua hiyo delivery without shida. But then kama huna skills za kuongelesha customer, definitely hata chukua hiyo kitu. That is business course unapick juu sitaishi kuwa rider hapa in case nipate sitaweza ku ride some years to come. Nita place biashara yangu na nitaweza kufanya kazi. So thank you.
I like that. So what you're saying is pia unapoendelea kufanya kazi mahali kuna vile pia wewe una grow. Balance, kama kuongelesha mtu, kudeal na watu wale wa difficult na wale pia wazuri. And those are skills you can use hata ukisonga mbeleni one day ukienda kwa kazi nyingine.
Yeah.
You can still be able to employ the same skills.
Yeah.
Okay. Sasa mimi nimefanya order. Na order ni mzito. Na mimi siishi ground floor.
Yeah.
Sasa kunaenda aje? Utaniambia madam niko kwa gate.
Asante sana kuuliza hiyo swali. Ukifanya order na unaishi juu kwa gorofa, juu sometimes huwa tunapewa hata kama ni bags 1/7. So when I reach at your destination there, I will call you. Then I will tell you I can't manage to come back with them. They are upstairs. So I need help. So there, kama uko na msichana hapo utamwambia nisaidie. Mara mingi huwa tunasaidiwa because most customers wanaelewa riders, female riders sana. Tunaonanga kama wengi ukimwambia niko na bags kama 5 ama 6, anakuambia just a minute I'm coming, ama anatuma house help akusaidie mkuje na yeye kama uwezi beba zote. So hivyo ndio huwa tunafanya mara mingi. Wengi hawakubalingi hawakatangi kukuja kutusaidia kubeba hiyo order mzito. Yeah.
And are there those wale wanga wako surprise umefika and you're a lady?
Yeah, for that point, asante sana. For that point, kuna wale unampigia simu anasikia I'm Lucy from Carrefour, I have your delivery. So unapata, are you a lady rider or you have a car? So you have to tell him or her, I am a rider and I have a motorbike. I have a e-bike. So when you reach there, unaona kama hata yeye amefurahia. Anafurahia kazi yako na ana congratulate hiyo kazi yako, anakuambia fanya bidii. Wow. So thank you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, and by the way, the bikes, these are e-bikes that Carrefour insists to specifically be used for their deliveries. So she'll explain to us what the e-bikes actually are.
Yeah, this is an e-bike from the word electric bike. Yeah. That's a long term, so we prefer using it as e-bike. This is from a company Lolwe that does with Little Cab, and I think using an e-bike is economical, like in terms of fuels. Wana tu yenye yetu inaenda ikipanda tu fuel inapanda na lazima tu make profit. Yeah. So na feel kwa kutumia e-bike. Another advantage is that inavutia macho. So kila mtu anaona hika kitu igurumi, hika kitu inaenda, so inavutia macho. The moment anaona hii e-bike, ashaona hii brand yetu, ana feel vizuri akiitisha from Carrefour. Na then pia tunaona ina promote juu unaona mtu amefurahia, anaona I also want to be brought by this young lady. Naona hata juu kama ni mimi nitaleta, but ameleta hata anaweza order mara 5 ukifikiria ni mimi nitaleta, but si mimi nitaleta, kama watu wengine wakileta unless angetia nimletee. So hii bike imekuwa na experience poa, haina noise pollution. Unakuta kama kuna estate zingine hawapendi kelele, unakuta hawapendangi bikes kabisa, hawataki muingie huko because hawataki noise, your pets, children. But ukiwa na hii bike it's silent na haipiki kelele, so we are allowed unaingia.
Okay.
And it works magic for villages because unakutanga ingine you have to walk from the gate na nyumba iko mbali to that estate because azingiangi. But the moment huyo askari ataona it's a lady na plus hii bike haipigi kelele, unakuwa allowed in juu ulikuwa na mizigo mzito most probably, so unaona umesaidiwa. Inakuanga tu sawa, and I feel good working with this. I have a bike but I feel good working with this one.
Okay. All right, so it means so you charge them there are charging points for offices,
yes,
where they're charged.
Yeah.
So it's charged. How frequent do you charge it?
Sorry?
Unaacha battery usiku inachajiwa, ina swap ama
the one bike has 2 batteries. So when you swap one, you leave another one, you go with another one and then you leave another one charging. So it takes like 3 to 2 hours to be full there. Yeah.
And once it's full, averagely inakuserve for how long on average?
It depends with the deliveries, with the distance you go. Either you can deliver at least 3 trips or 2 trips. Yeah, with the distance of 12 kilometer to 24.
Okay.
Yeah. And you go thrice. Yeah.
All right.
So that is at least 12 orders. Yeah, with the one battery.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are happy that Carrefour is actually very intentional
to
promote wanawake. Tunasikia vizuri.
Fine, yeah.
I've actually never had a delivery by a lady. Sasa tuangalia pale kwa app kama naweza sema delivery.
Okay. You are welcome.
Asanteni sana.
Yeah.
Kwa kukuja. We are very happy to see that that you are embracing.
Yeah.
Because hii ni ile kazi watu wengi ufikiria deliveries, anything ya bike ni wanaume.
Okay.
So it's very encouraging to also encourage another lady pale mwenye pia anatafuta kazi, because by the way as much as there are also men delivering for Carrefour for their e-commerce services, they actually prioritize female riders.
Yes.
So kiwa mwanamke uko pale na unataka kutafuta kazi, iko wapi? Kazi ni gani? Jifundishe kuendesha baisikeli.
Yes.
Na utafute Carrefour. Because as long as you walk in and you're a lady and of course you have all the certifications, I'm sure there is a process, but imagine you have a priority.
Yeah.
You actually give, you said you were 6, but now you're 5 in total.
Yeah.
Imagine there are only 5 delivering for entire Carrefour.
Yeah.
So kama ni mwanamke unaweza endesha baisikeli, opportunity ya biashara iko.
Yes. Yes.
Tuendelee kununua online, tuendelee kusupport biashara.
Yeah.
And we also support, as we buy, the more times we buy online, we are also all tunapromote wanawake kazini, si ndio?
Yes.
So asanteni sana kwa kukuja. Unless kuna any last words ungependa kusema kitu kama customer, is there anything we can do to make your work easy? Kuna saa watu nawachanganyisha na order. Tuseme nilisema ajab na umeniletea hii nyingine. What happens?
Asante sana kwa hiyo. Such a case is sometimes it happens, but we change. I go back with it, then we change another one. You pay and then I go back with it. Okay. Yeah, then I bring another one that you want. Yeah.
Bora mtamelipa,
and your customer aendelee kuwa nasi, asikasirika, apende Carrefour. Yeah.
Aone kabisa wanajaribu.
Yes.
Wanajaribu kunisort. And the delivery mtu pia ako happy.
Yeah.
Unaongelesha customers wazuri vile Lucy amesema.
Yes.
Unaongelesha mteja vizuri. Hata ukisikia unakasirika,
unarudisha tempa chini.
Unarudisha chini.
Yeah.
Unarudisha sasa tufanye aje.
Yes.
And by the way, something we forgot to mention is that the bikes are not just, the noise is not just on a very low level, also pollution of the environment. There is no smoke.
Yeah.
It's completely smokeless.
Yeah.
So it's actually environmentally friendly. So by shopping at Carrefour, we are also playing a part in helping the environment be more safe, because they're delivering with
E-bikes.
bikes.
Yeah.
Nasema e-bikes ni zile bikes ambazo zinakaa charge na electricity.
Yeah.
Natumia stima.
Yes.
Haitumii hii ingine.
Air fuel.
Fuel.
Yeah.
Sawa. But and your family, are they okay? Are they supportive? Ama saa zingine wao wanashtuka?
Thank you. As for me, I think they have seen the other part of me because they just embrace whatever I do, and they really encourage me because you don't necessarily. I don't back them. I don't ask everything from them. Najisimamia, and that they be proud of me. Venye ninafanya, venye ninaonyesha, niko ambitious, niko dreams na chase. At least and working with the company I work in, at least unajua kuna a salary you can budget on, unlike other delivery companies. Kabisa ujui unanipa nini at long last. Ujui leo nikiamka kama nita make how much a day. So that is the good part. That is the good part of Little Cab and Carrefour, if I may say, because I've done deliveries with another, but I really feel good working with them, because if this week I want to do this, like I have a loan bike. And it's not only me. Most of us have loan bikes, but they just stick there because they know I will be able to pay this. Sitakuja kucheziwa hapa na moko waninyang'anya bila watu. Ile haikuwa. Wametusaidia tu. Okay.
Asante sana. Swali la mwisho tukimalizia sasa. So uko delivery, ulikuwa umecharge bike.
Yeah.
Ufike mahali imezima. What happens?
Okay, thank you for asking that question, because kama uko delivery na bike imezima, we always call backup. Yeah, tuko na mwenye ukizimika unapiga simu kwa ofisi, alafu anaambiwa kuletee betri nyingine, anarudi na ile nyingine.
Oh, hata si bike nyingine,
betri nyingine, yeah. Yeah, so you have to proceed with the delivery.
That is good.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it only takes like less than 10 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. That is good.
Yeah.
It's good to know that customer, whatever happens,
Kazi inaendelea, and you have to contact customer so that you can tell him or her the delivery I will delay. Yeah, because I have you communicate with the customer. So you have to tell him or her, I have an issue but I'm coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that kama alikuwa anakungoja anaweka mind yake hapo, because the more tukitoka na delivery kwa mall wanaonanga iko kwa njia.
Oh yes, you can track from there.
Yeah, you can track. Yes. So when you stop, they can also see. So you have to contact. Okay. Yeah.
All right. So how is your family support?
My family, they support me.
That is good.
Yeah, they support me. They love my job. Yeah, because I have the children at school. I have a daughter, and I have 2 daughters and 2 sons.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice.
So, my daughter have done Form 4 last year.
Oh.
And I have a son on Form 3.
Congratulations.
The third born is on class 8. Then I have grade 1. Yeah.
That is really good.
And always I love my work because they can't nisiwezi kosa kulipa fee kama niko nayo na wamefukuzwa.
Yes.
Yeah, I have to support.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. You're doing a great job.
Yeah. Thank you.
Don't worry. I mean, and that is a good job. Form 4, moja amemaliza form 4.
Amemaliza juzi.
Juzi.
Yeah.
Mwingine ako class
Form
8.
3.
Form 3.
Yeah.
So
And
next
class
candidate
8.
mwingine.
Yeah.
Alafu this year kuna candidate. Hey. You're doing a great job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Again, you know, it goes to see how, you know, by, you know, just how by extension Carrefour is also supporting our family.
Yeah.
And that's some businesses. Sindio?
Yeah.
So thank you so much for coming. Nimeshukuru sana.
Shukran.
Mrudi tena na tena na tena.
Thank you.
Very
Thank you.
happy that Carrefour is actually intentionally
Yeah.
supporting female riders. Na pia kuna wanawake wamejitokeza. Wamesema hii kazi tunaweza na tunafanya. Si tutajaribu. Tunafanya, si ndio? Asanteni sana.
Yes, karibu.
Thank you very much for being your host, Selina Kumu, and thank you for watching Business Tuesday. Over to you.